Are your Shopify products suddenly missing from Google because of a misrepresentation suspension? Before you request a review, stop. A failed review can trigger a longer cooldown. I'll show you 4 areas to audit before submitting your appeal.
Inside Google Merchant Center. Open Products, select Needs Attention, and locate the misrepresentation warning. Click View Fix to read the complete policy notice and confirm that this is an account-level issue rather than a problem affecting only one product. The same suspended status appears inside Wixpa Google Shopping Feed, where the affected products are marked as disapproved. This confirms that the problem is connected to the Merchant Center account rather than only one product. Misrepresentation can happen when information in your product feed differs from what customers see on your website. Review the policy notice and check for differences in product titles, descriptions, prices, availability, shipping information, and promotional claims. Next, review your store's contact page. It should clearly display an accurate business or trade name, phone number, customer support email, and physical address so customers can identify and contact the business. Now review the product feed requirements shown here. Product identifiers such as GTIN, MPN, and brand should be accurate. Check for missing information and review every disapproved product for specific policy issues. Also make sure your business information is consistent between your website and Merchant Center. Your website should be verified, and all customer-facing information should be clear. Once the necessary corrections have been completed, you can prepare to request a review and continue monitoring your account. Return to Needs Attention and click View Fix again. This pop-up explains why Google flagged the store and lists the transparency requirements. Read every point carefully. Only choose I disagree with the issue if you have reviewed your website, product feed, and business information and believe the suspension is incorrect. Otherwise, complete the necessary corrections first. After requesting a review, monitor Merchant Center and your email for Google's decision, and keep your product information accurate to help prevent future violations.
This audit cannot guarantee reinstatement, but it can help you avoid the most common reasons reviews are rejected. For cleaner Shopify product data, try Wixpa Google Shopping Feed through the link in the description. Subscribe for more tutorials.